Today I'll show you how to create an effect like this. So when you scroll down, the text is highlighted, and when you scroll up, the highlight disappears. You can easily edit anywhere on your site, and we'll do this by pasting a small CSS and GSAP code, which I will add in the description below. It's super easy and we'll do everything in just 5 minutes. I'll quickly import a template first. I'll go here and click this icon, and it opens the Elements Pack template library. For now, I'll use this one and click on Insert. If you want, you can get the element pack for your site from the WordPress plugin library. First, I'll add a container for the text and click on the plus icon. Now, select the container layout that works best for you. Go to the Style tab and set the background color like this. This will make sure the container matches the template I'm using. Now, let's add a heading to show the highlight effect. Click here and drag the heading widget to the container. I'll enter some text like this and done. To customize the heading, go to the Style tab and you can change the text color, font style, size and more to match your design. I'll increase the text size under the typography settings to make the text clearly visible. The main goal is to make the text stand out and draw attention. You can also adjust the font style for a different look and even make it bold. Once you're done, just duplicate the heading as many times as you need. For now, I'll create 3 copies like this. This offers a larger area to show how the highlighting effect works. Finally, let's see how to add the highlight effect on the heading. But before that, whenever I'm doing some design work for clients, I make sure to install this free plugin Airlift because, okay, let me actually show you this. So that's my site speed before and that's after. It does a lot of optimizations automatically and keeps stuff fast. So you should definitely try this and I'll leave the link in the description below. Finally, let's see how to add the highlight effect on the heading. Select the container and go to the advanced settings like this. Scroll down till you find CSS panel and click here. Now let's add the CSS code to style and animate the heading. Next, drag an HTML widget below the heading like this. Now, go to the description, copy the GSAP code, come back and paste it here. This will enable the animation as you scroll for a smooth transition. A big thanks to Andrea for all the codes. Okay, now that's done. I've just got a quick tip for you. Make sure you don't tweak any code unless you're sure about it. This can break the effect and fixing it would be a nightmare. Don't worry, you can still customize the colors here to fit your design. For example, I want to use a shade of orange for the background. Let's go here and adjust the color like this. Once you're done, update the page by clicking here. I'll click here to preview, and when I scroll, the text is highlighted. Comment below if you have any questions and I'll help you out. Click this video if you want to triple your site speed in just 1 minute. You're really gonna thank me for this, so click here and I'll see you there.